They are black and white in color. They are sociable birds who love brightly colored objects which they often steal from people's gardens. Years and years ago, ever so many years ago, only one bird in the whole world knew how to build a nest. That wise bird was the magpie. One day, all the other birds went to the magpie. They wanted to learn how to build nests. They begged the magpie to teach them.
"Indeed, I'll be glad to teach you,"
said Mrs. Magpie.
"Just watch and listen to me. First, you must choose a tall tree like this great oak. Then take sticks."
"A tree,"
broke in the bold eagle.
"a tree here in this valley? No trees nor valleys for me.